And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I'm going to have a look at adjusting the SmallRig hot shoe mounted monitor mount. I've been asked a few times on my comments and on a Facebook group on how you actually adjust the tension of this so it can fold easier, because it's quite tight sometimes when you get them. So I thought I'd show you how to do it. So let's have a look at the tools you'll need and how to do it. Right, so you're going to need some tools for a start. You're going to need a 2.5mm Allen key, crosshead screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need a 7mm socket, and you'll also need a 5.5mm socket and a ratchet to attach them. Now, to adjust the actual bend that way, what you need to do is unscrew these little end caps. There's one on either side, and they can be tight, so you can unscrew those. And then to adjust the tension of the tilt, you use your 5.5mm socket to either loosen or tighten up those nuts, and that'll adjust the tension there. And put these back on. Like so. And that's the easy bit. Right, to adjust the swivel, what you need to do is undo this Allen key here. Take that Allen key out. And you need to take this foot off. And the easiest way I've found is just to take this down, unscrew it, and it'll pop that foot off. And the foot's got a shaped bit there, so you can't get it back into the hole wrong. Unscrew this, and remember that it's this flush bit is down to the foot, not that bit. So I'll put it there. And then here you'll see you've got 4 little Phillips screws. So we undo them. We take this bit off here. Then in there you've got another nut which you can adjust with your 7mm socket. So you can either loosen it or tighten it. So if you loosen it, then it will swivel easier, and if you tighten it up, it'll be tighter. So then to put it all back together, you've got 2 little pegs on there, one just there. They line up with the holes in this. You can see there. Just line those back up. Push it down. And tighten your Phillips screws up. Make sure they're tight. Put this with that bit now up to there, screw that on. Take your foot, line up the shape, push it on, and bolt back in. Yeah, you've adjusted your SmallRig hot shoe mounted monitor mount. Now obviously it's not in the field thing you could do, because obviously you need some tools, but I think once you've found the ideal setting it'll be fine. So that's a look at adjusting the SmallRig mount. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.